I always have to resist the urge to incorporate metaphysics into my videos, but I also believe that metaphysics would have to be just physics that is exceptionally refined and partially based on these respective diode light and dark receiver sensors and emitters and transmitters of light that are and will be flashing by on your screen. These little black and white bulbs that you see appear to mimic the dynamics and structures of black holes and white holes as well as the stars at large, as you will soon see, as you bear in mind that black holes are supposedly white holes in reverse according to Albert Einstein. And in my mind, they look pretty damn similar to these diode receiver sensors and emitters and transmitters of light, which are devices that are specifically used to detect objects in motion of any kind, the dynamics of which I am not going to elaborate on in this particular video. I suspect that the universe is in part some kind of matrix of light that is based on these and other technologies that you are now and will soon see flashing by on your screen. Light-emitting diodes also have applications in light-based communications, computing, and remote control technologies, as well as other technologies that involve light. With us noticing again that the black and white colors of these diodes compared to black and white holes are similar. The same could be said with these diodes being compared to black and white dwarf stars, as you bear in mind that black holes are supposedly everywhere in our galaxy and the universe at large. Same thing with white dwarfs and black dwarfs. And this includes a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, aka Sagittarius A, which is supposedly 25,000 light years from the Earth, and our beautiful yellow sun here, which is a Class G yellow dwarf star, and more than likely a nuclear fusion-powered yellow light-emitting diode, among other roles that I will not elaborate on here. This means that all of the sun worshippers over the millennia have been worshipping what is more than likely a huge nuclear fusion-powered light-emitting diode, as we bear in mind that LEDs and the stars all come in different sizes and colors, which I will elaborate on shortly. And if the stars and black holes and so forth are indeed diode emitters, sensors, and so forth, they appear to play interchangeable roles in some cases, especially because these stars are classified according to their mass and age and so forth, as they live and die over a period of billions of years, changing colors and size and so forth, all playing respective roles as transmitters and emitters and so forth, as well as detectors of the stars themselves, perhaps. And supposedly there are trillions of stars and black holes and white holes throughout the universe. And supposedly black holes and white holes are dead stars as well as black dwarf stars, with black holes and black dwarfs at one time perhaps being light-emitting diodes that burned out and became light receiver diodes and sensors and detectors and so forth, or something along those lines perhaps. And I realize that what I am postulating here is far-fetched, but it is reinforced by the fact that the internal and external structural and electrochemical similarities between these stars and light-emitting diodes are so similar that they will blow your mind, but only if you click the link to my video and playlist I included, which will help place my technoverse theory into context for you. And if you like this video, then share and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.